How's everybody doing? I know it's been a minute. Just got a package in today. Sent to get an RC Truggy. But I see that the box is already smashed. I hope there's no damage to it. So I'm hoping there's no damage to it. So it's the, I don't know, I got it for 140 bucks. It's the WLtoys 4-wheel drive 1024019. That's the name of it. It's a number. So it's this one right here. It's the one I ordered. So we're gonna check it out right now. Yep. So it's an off-road explorer, conquer the world. You can write it off-road, desert, rock, mountain. It says all that, but don't go by all that. You gotta test everything out. It says it goes 55 kilometers an hour, so that's pretty fast. Okay, let's see what's in the box, guys. Okay, what we got here first? We got the battery. I hope this is an extra battery because I believe I ordered the one with the 2 batteries. So let's get the package. So I got the charger, the key for the lug nut for the wheels. I have the manual. The manual's in here also. Okay, let's see what we got here. It's got a hold. The box got a hold also. This is the controller. So what the controller looks like. Okay. This is the controller. It reminds me of a Traxxas controller. Pretty nice. It's got the throttle, the steering trim, the throttle trim. It's got the on and off switch right here. Back and forth. Feels pretty good. See how many? It takes four AA batteries. So that's cool. So that's your controller. Okay, let's take out the car, the Truggy. Looks pretty nice. Okay, let's see. It's got a nice weight to it. Anything else in here? No. It's got a nice weight to it, as you see. Pretty nice. I love the way the shocks are, the tires. The tires they don't feel that bad. This one feels like it has no foam in it. This one also. The back ones feel good. Feels good. The shocks. I love the way the shocks are, the links. All adjustable. Let's check out the inside. So I ordered the one. I'm gonna have to contact these guys. There's that's the battery. The battery's in here. I was gonna say I ordered 2 batteries. Okay, so this is the inside. It has a 550 motor, another battery. This is the inside. This is the inside. Got a 540 motor. The reason I ordered this Truggy is because I'm gonna make it a project car. I already have the setup for this Truggy. You know, and with this motor, it's pretty. I've seen a few videos on it, and let me flip the camera. And I've seen how fast I see how fast this Truggy is, you know. It's fast. It's fast. I seen like what, 3, 4, five. Say five videos on this Truggy, and it caught my eye. The way it's built, it feels solid. Feels solid. The turnbuckles, the everything feels solid, man. It's nice. You know. So we're gonna, the bottom is like aluminum. See, real nice. So I like the way it looks. I'm excited. I can't wait to try it out. You know, for those of you guys that follows my channel, I know I don't be on too much, so I'm gonna start doing some other stuff on my channel, universal stuff and probably vlogs and stuff. I know y'all probably wondering about the Evercross. Hold on a minute. I'm gonna show you the Evercross real quick. There goes the Evercross right there. It's still going strong. The baby's still going strong, you know. Got it folded up. Good scooter. Great scooter, man. Like I said before, man, don't tamper with the scooter. It does you justice, and it still rides strong to this day. It rides real good, that scooter. So let's get busy, man. Let's take this baby outside. Let's get some batteries for the controller. You know, see if these batteries are charged up, and take it for a test run. What you guys think? Huh? Hey, don't forget to comment, subscribe, and hit that bell. Okay? And we're about to test the WLtoys. I forgot the number. It goes by a number 20. I know it's 2019, the last one number. So I have the 2019 here. So we're about to test it and see how it goes. This is like slow speed. I put it on the lowest setting on speed control. So far the handling, I like the steering. Let's turn it up a little bit. Oh. Oh, it's got quite some speed on it. Alright, that's not all the way. Let's put it all the way. Now this is all the way up. Whoa, my God. Look at that baby go. So, whoa. What I gotta say about this? He is pretty snappy. He is real snappy. And this is off a 550 brush motor, guys. He is snappy. But you can fucking, oops, excuse my language. You can drift with this car, even with these tires, I bet. It's pretty fast. Pros and cons about the WLtoys, the 2019 one. I can't say much about any cons of it for the price that I paid for it, about $30. I just love the fact that the chassis is long, the wheelbase is wider apart, it sticks to the ground. It's fast, it's very fast, as you guys seen. So I recommend this. For the price, I recommend this. So guys, remember, stay tuned, remember, subscribe, punch that like button, and peace.